Hello everyone. When we are going to learn or when we want to learn a networking, we need to know how network works, how we can build and network, physical network before we are driving or we are working in physical network. Before that we need to know how to do an simulation of network, how to do an logical network using all the devices, and how we can allocate and load over a network, how network works. For that purpose we required an simulation tool. So today's topic is how to use Cisco packet tracer. I am Dikvijay Patil, Assistant Professor, IT Department, PS Modern College of Engineering, Shivajinagar. This is our vision of the institute, mission of the institute. This is a vision of Department of IT, to develop and proficient IT engineers for industry and society. This is a mission of the department. So, what is the outcome of today's topic? To design and configure a small network and associated networking commands. We are going to understand how to design and configure a small network on a Cisco packet tracer, how we can assign an IP address, what is subnetting, what is supernetting, and many more things in the series of packet tracer, how to use an packet tracer. Yes, this is going to be an series of how to use an packet tracer to define or to learn a network design and configuration of small network and associated commands. What is packet tracer? As name implies, Cisco packet tracer is a tool that the company created. Company name is Cisco. This is the tool created by a Cisco company to practice with both simple and complicated networks. This program offers a network simulation. What is meant by the words called simulation? So friends, when we want to build a network of large number of computer devices like switches, hubs, router, printer, and many more computer network devices. Before developing a physical network, if we build a logical network like a same as a physical network, if we allocate and load on the network and check whether the network is work properly or not. If it works properly in logical manner, in virtual manner, or in virtual manner, then we can build the same network. Then we can build the same network as logical as physical. So it is very much helpful to us that when how to build an physical network, to know how to build an physical network, where we need to do a setup and switch, where to build, and we need to set up and router, how we can we can decide how we can allocate and IP address and many more things. So let's begin with the Cisco packet tracer. So friends, this is an introductory video of Cisco packet tracer. So let's move directly towards Cisco practical, that is Cisco packet tracer. Okay, so friends, this is a front end or GUI of Cisco packet tracer 5.0. This is an old version. There are a number of newer versions available in the market. This is a free and we did not require any type of key to activate this 5.0. So let's take an overview of Cisco packet tracer, how to install it. Okay, for that purpose you need to go into the Google. You need to go into the Google and type download Cisco packet tracer. If you require new version, you can directly type Cisco packet tracer, or if you want an older version as I use, you can directly type Cisco packet tracer old version and click on first link only. You will, this is the official computer networking keynotes website. You can download it directly. You can download packet tracer directly of any version. There are number of versions. Okay, we are using packet tracer 5.0. This is older version. Okay, then download it. After downloading you will get an PTW50 application. Just double click on it and you can install it. I have already installed it. Once you open after installing, you will get this type of symbol. After double clicking on it, you will get this type of front end. Now I'll show you I will describe you the Cisco packet tracer. So friends, this area we called it an workspace. This is a large workspace. You can use it as much as possible as per your requirement. Okay, this file edit option, this is a menu bar. There are number of options available. Okay, then these are the toolbox, and here one more toolbox is there. Switch, router, hubs. As you see, as my pointer moves here and there, you will see the caption changes. As I move the mouse on this circle part, caption changes to router, then switch, then hub, then wireless devices, then connections. In below, end devices, wireless emulation, custom made devices, and multi-user connection. As I click on switches, as I click on router, you will see in this part you will get a number of types of router models. 1841 model, 2620 XM model, 2621 XM model, 2811 model, generic model, and so on. There are number of models available. Like as I click on switches, also I got in different types of model, that is 2950-24 model, 2950T model, 2960 model. As you click on it, you can place over a network. Just click and place over a workspace. Okay, if you just click on any switch, you will see the configuration of the switch. Okay, this is an 24 port switch. If you see, this is an 24 port switch. Likewise, here are hub. If I click on hub, I can see there are two types of hubs. If I click on wireless device, there are two wireless device. If I click on connection, I got different types of wires. Okay, first one is a console cable, second one is a straight cable, third one is a copper cable, fiber cable, phone cable, coaxial, serial DT. There are different types of cables are available. So this is the toolbox. Now in this area we'll see two times. Are we see two columns. First one is in first column there is one scenario, new, delete, toggle, this window, and in second window you will see the output. In this you will see output is of two types, real time and simulation. There are two types of output, real time and simulation. Okay, after that you will get another toolbox at this side, in this where my mouse is moving, in this side, in this left side. Okay, this is a select, to select an particular area. Okay, you can select it and delete it. This is a hand to move a layout, particular layout. अगर आप move करना चाहते हो इधर उधर, then you can use this. This is a note. If you want to note, it's like a caption. Okay, it doesn't work anywhere, just it likes a caption. If you want to design, if you have designed any network and you want to give a caption to particular area, you can give using a note. If you want to delete something, you can use this cross symbol. If you want to zoom something, inspect something, that is zoom something, you can use this inspect section. And there are two types of message, open message and close message. If you want to check or if you want to allocate any load to the network, you can use these two type of packets. Okay, so let's see one small design of network. We are going to make a small local area network. Okay, so I'm going to create one local area network. Okay, for that purpose I required one switch, so I'm going to put one switch, that is 2950 port switch. Okay, then I'm going to use 5 generic machines in a network. So just click on end device. After that, in models, I am going to use one generic device and put here another generic device and put here another generic device and put here. Okay, likewise I am going to put 5 device. Okay, let's say we can say like that we are going to build a lab of 5 machines. We are going to build a small network of 5 machines. After putting putting 5 machines and one switch, we need to connect them using some wires. Okay, as we know, if the device, same kind of devices are there, we are going to use a straight cable, sorry, cross cable. And if the devices are a different kind, or two different kind of devices are there, then we are going to use a straight cable. Okay, so where we find the cable? Yes, right at connection. Okay, so find and cross cable. Okay, sorry, straight cable, copper straight cable. Click here, use fast Ethernet, and just click here, use port where you want to attach. See guys, if likewise again I am showing you, just click on connection, use straight cable, just click on machine where you want to connect to the fast Ethernet port. Okay, and as I said you that switch also has 24 ports. As I just click on switch, you can see a number of ports. These are the 24 ports. We have already used port number fast Ethernet 0/1. That's why it is not showing here. We are using another port number, that is fast Ethernet 02. Likewise, if you don't know how to install it, then in connection there is one another, automatically choose connection type. Okay, just click here and just click here and just click here. You can see विदाउट एनी, अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि कौन सी केबल यूज करनी है, जस्ट यूज ऑटोमेटिकली चूज केबल कनेक्शन टाइप. It will directly connect correct cable to the machine and switch. Okay, likewise different kinds of cables. Okay, another cable and connect it. So we are now connected 5 machines to one switch. We have created one local area network. Okay, now as I said, it's an simulation. Okay, it shows everything, it works like everything as a physical. So आपको लग रहा होगा कि सर आपने बोला था कि इट्स लाइक अ सिमुलेशन, इट्स लाइक इट्स सिम्स लाइक एन फिजिकल डिवाइस. सो हाउ वी सी अ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ मशीन. ओके, just click on any machine, you can see a whole configuration of your machine. Okay, it has just after clicking just on machine, you can get a window of your system. It has three options: physical, configuration and desktop. In configuration, what is the configuration of your machine, you can see. Okay, as we know, we need to attach one RJ45 cable, sorry, connector, cat5 cable with our machine, where we connect it to the LAN port. LAN port, it means it has, we need to assign an IP address, where we assign an IP address to the fast Ethernet port. Okay, so we have an GUI mode also to allocate an IP address. Just click on desktop, we got an IP address option, then terminal, then command prompt, everything as a physical machine. Okay, next we can shut down it using clicking on this button. Once you click, this light will goes off, it means your machine was shut down. Once again, if means you create a machine, click on this button, your machine goes on. Okay, likewise your machine, your GUI will work. Okay, sir, it's okay about machine, what about switch and router? Same thing, just click on switch, you will get an whole configuration window. Okay, port number are 24 ports. Okay, and many more things are available. Now let's move towards connectivity. Okay, we just connected wires to the switches and we have created a physical network, LAN network. Okay, but the one point is there, by just creating an physical network is not sufficient. We need to assign an IP address to the machine. So where we assign an IP address, just go to the machine, click on desktop and click on configuration, static and DHCP. We are going to assign static IP. So click here and give an IP address 192.168.4.1 and press tab button. Okay, it will directly take an subnet mask of IP address class. This is an class C IP address, that's why it has taken 255.255.255.0 subnet mask. Okay, next go to the another machine, click on desktop, IP address configuration and again give an IP address 192.168.4.2 tab. Again close it, again go to the next machine, desktop, IP address and give an IP address 192.168.4.3. just click on tab button and close it. Again desktop IP address 192.168.4.4, tab button, close. Again machine, go to desktop IP address and 192.168.5.1, tab. ओके. अगर आपको देखना है कि आईपी एड्रेस मिला है कि नहीं, तो जस्ट मूव अ माउस ऑन दैट मशीन. यू कैन सी here we have an IP address 192.168.4.1. okay, IP version 4 IP address. Okay, now let's see whether the connection is happen or not. For that purpose, allocate and load and check whether the machines are connected with each other or not. Just take packet, click on one machine and click on another machine. It is successfully sent from one machine to another machine. Source PC0 to destination PC1, PC0 to PC1 successfully transfer. It means that our connections happen properly. Again we'll check PC4 to PC3. In progress failed. What happens? We need to check IP address. Okay, so as I move a mouse on last machine, we'll see 192.168.5.1, and here the IP address is 4.4. It means that the IP address of PC3 and IP address of PC4 are from different class, are from different network. That's why they are not connected with each other. So we need to put it in same network. So just change an IP address 4.5. okay, now see, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, yes, successful. Let's see again, यहाँ से यहाँ तक successful. अगर आपको देखना है कि एक्चुअल में वर्क कैसे होता है, तो मैंने बोला था कि आउटपुट विंडो में दो टाइप के सिमुलेशन है, एक रियल टाइम एंड अनदर वन इज सिमुलेशन. देन गो टू सिमुलेशन विंडो, टेक अ मैसेज, क्लिक ऑन सोर्स मशीन टू डेस्टिनेशन मशीन एंड क्लिक ऑन कैप्चर and forward button. Yes, we can see the packet moves from source to switch. Again forward, it is forwarded to all the destination. Okay, again forward, it checks whether the destination address, if the destination address is correct, that destination will send an acknowledgement to switch and switch to source machine. It is correctly received and packet is sent successfully. Yes, packet is sent successfully. Likewise, network simulator works. This is an overview of Cisco packet tracer. Will in next lecture definitely we'll see the number of different kinds of different topics, like how to build different networks, how we can connect with each other when we are working in two different networks, how we can build and subnetting, supernetting, and one more thing, how we can install different kinds of protocols, different kinds of access control list on a router in a network. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you.